Spaghetti aglio and olio. For this easy dish we need spaghetti, olive oil, garlic, jalapeño and parsley. Pour water into the bowl and put on fire. Add salt, olive oil, cut garlic, peel and cut jalapeño. Put the pan on fire. Pour olive oil, add garlic and mix it. Add jalapeño. Fry it until golden crust. Put spaghetti in boiled water. Lay down the spaghetti. Cook the time indicated on the package. Remove from heat and drain water. Add garlic and jalapeño to spaghetti. And add olive oil. Mix it well. Put on the dish. Cut parsley. And serve it to the dish. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!